Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial. I'm Andrew, and in today's video I'm going to share with you step by step how to fix this issue. If you ever try to open up Google Chrome and you get this message that says the application has failed to start because its side-by-side configuration is incorrect, then I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this issue. Now guys, the main thing that you want to do is simply reinstall or repair Microsoft Visual C++ packages. Now to do that, all you have to do is just simply go on your Windows icon here in the taskbar and simply type add, and you will see add or remove programs here. Just simply open that, and you want to simply look in the list here for these Visual C++ packages. Now what you want to do, click on the three dots here, go ahead and choose modify, choose yes, and simply repair this. Now once you do those repair, try again to open up Chrome, and if it doesn't work, just simply go ahead and try to restart your computer. And if it still does not work, go ahead, click on the Windows icon here in the taskbar and type add, and simply go back again and go to add or remove programs, and you simply want to look for Google Chrome. You can either scroll down through it and search for Google Chrome, or you can simply just click in the search and type in Chrome, and you will find Google Chrome here. Once you find it, go ahead and click uninstall. Now once you uninstall Google Chrome, you will not have it here on your computer anymore. So what you will need to do is just simply open up any browser that you have, for example Edge, and you simply want to click anywhere within Edge search and simply type in Chrome download. Go ahead, enter that, and you will need to download Google Chrome. So in the first option here, you will see download option. So simply click on download now, and it will take you to this page here where you simply can go ahead and click download, and this will download Google Chrome. Now once the Google Chrome is downloaded, all you have to do is just simply find the application, open it, install the Google Chrome, and this should literally fix the issue for you. Now guys, I really hope that you found some value within this video, and if you do, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe to Drew Tutorial. It's absolutely free. And if you have any comments, drop them in the comment section below, and I will definitely get back to you as soon as possible. Good luck and see you next time.